Her pajamas off.
No, we're gonna leave her pajamas on.
Now off. I saw you.
She's trying to play with her big sister.
That's shaped like a peanut. That's shaped like a peanut.
What, you want your big sister to come back? She'll come back.
Here, I'll come back in a second.
How are you doing on your puzzles? Alyssa?
Yes.
How are you doing on your puzzles?
Good.
Good. You almost done?
You like this? Let's see. No. Let's try this. Let's try that. A peanut. A peanut, Mommy. The peanut.
Peanut. Bless you. Got Mommy's Christmas cold, huh? Do you need some help? It's okay. It's okay. Gotta stop doing that. You're gonna have to learn to get yourself out of those spots. A stuffy in a what?
A quan.
A quannet? Oh, pretty cool.
That belongs in the ball.
Oh, what shape is on the back? What shape is on the back?
A heart.
Are we doing the heart puzzle?
No.
Okay.
No, I don't want a heart puzzle.
Hi, Raylan. Raylan. Hey. Hey, you. You looking for your big sister?